Last section of chapter 6. This is section 6.5. Let's start out with example 1. We're going to talk all about geometric sequences in this section, and we're going to find out what a geometric sequence is right off the bat. So a geometric sequence is a ratio between each pair of consecutive terms. In a geometric sequence, the ratio between each pair of consecutive terms is the same. That ratio is called the common ratio. Now each term is found by multiplying the previous term by the common ratio. So as you can see, here is an example of a geometric sequence because we keep multiplying consecutive terms by 5. 5 is known as the common ratio. So if you have to pause the tape and write down these definitions, it'd be a good idea. It's important that you know that vocabulary. So our two problems that we're going to do in example 1 are just deciding whether or not the sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Now you may need a review on what a geometric sequence is. Probably been a while since you discussed that, but an arithmetic sequence, I should say. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where you keep adding the same thing every time. They'll have a common difference instead of a common ratio. Or it's possible it's neither arithmetic nor geometric. Let's explain our reasoning, and if it is geometric, tell what the common ratio is. Okay, so if I look at this sequence, it goes from 120 to 60 to 30 to 15. Now, are we multiplying by the same thing every time? Well, to check, we can always divide backwards. We can go 15 divided by 30, 30 divided by 60, 60 divided by 120. So if I would go to my trusty calculator and actually divide backwards, I can go 15 divided by 30, and that's going to give me 1/2 or 0.5. Then if I go 30 divided by 60, that will also give me 0.5. And then last but not least, 60 divided by 120, that'll also give me 0.5. Now you might be thinking, why do I have to keep dividing every time? Well, you have to make sure that the ratio is the same each and every time. So the answer here, this is geometric, and it's because we have a ratio of 0.5. Okay? Telling what the ratio is basically explaining your reasoning, by the way, at least in my mind. Now in this one, might be we go from 2 to 6 to 11 to 17. Now, to get from 2 to 6, I would have to multiply by 3 or add 4. So if it was arithmetic, I want to think about what I'm adding. If it's geometric, I want to see what I'm multiplying. Now to get from 6 to 11, I'm adding 5. But I'm not multiplying, so it's not arithmetic. I'm definitely not multiplying by 3. I'm multiplying by, well, I guess it's 11/6. Definitely not by 3. If I had multiplied by 3, I would have got 18. This one is neither geometric nor arithmetic. So, and the reason is because there is no common ratio, nor is there a common difference. So it's not geometric, nor is it arithmetic. And that's all I got for this first example. Should be a piece of cake.